Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you this slightly used 2016 Jayco Eagle. It's a 27.5 model number. Come on in and I'll show you all the features. So when you come in here on the driver's side slide out, you're going to have electric fireplace and your TV and your entertainment center. This is going to have your Bluetooth, DVD player, little storage underneath. And then you get your freestanding table and chairs. There are 2 additional chairs. In the rear here you have your 2 recliners. The people that previously owned this modified it and put in a desk instead of a table. They probably were on the road with their job. But you got 2 file cabinets on both sides and a little bit of storage above. And then they have the MCD shades all the way around. This one has plenty of natural daylight as well. You got a 8 cubic feet Norcold fridge freezer combo. And then here you got a 3-burner cooktop, your oven. And then your microwave is over here. And then you got storage on both sides of the microwave and above. Plenty of counter space too. You got a double sink, stainless steel. Storage for a wastebasket. And then you got 4 fully extending drawers here. Here's all your controls for your slide outs, your black water, fresh water, gray water. Here's a little remote control that control your levelers, put out your slides, put out your awning from outside. In the bathroom you have a Jack and Jill door, so you can come in through the hallway and go into the bedroom. Has a nice corner shower. And then you got your medicine cabinet, your sink, and then a place to put towels, your toilet. And then over here, you have another place for towels. This is a wardrobe slide out. And then one little single drawer here. You got a walk around queen size bed with end tables on both sides of the bed, storage. And then you got some lights on the headboard. If you look here, you got a full pass-through for storage. It's got the heavy-duty latches. And then above here you have your power awning. You got a floodlight at the front of the coach. And then outside here you got your outside speakers. This one's got power stab jacks, basically stabilizer jacks. These are all seamless windows all the way around the coach. You got a ladder, full walk-on roof. Right here's your outside shower, your outlet to plug it in. Again, your pass-through. This one's locked. That's your propane. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2016 Eagle 27.5, please give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.